Welcome to English Audiobook. Ative a legenda para melhor compreensão. Have you benefited that learning language is not only about words? Lucas read this, but he never understood why. Chapter 1. Different Voice. Lucas studied English every day. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Was the summer? Was in pity. Until one day, I never grew up right. His name was Maya. She did not talk much, but when she talked, it felt different. Do you speak English? Lucas asked. Yes, but it is not only that. Lucas was confident. That you mean it? At the moment his couldn't wake up. Chapter 2. The Secret. The next day, Lucas saw my read drawing book. What language is that? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Maya looked at here and said, I don't learn language. I feel that. Lucas laughed. That makes no sense. Maya looked at here again. Tell me, when you speak English, do you feel something? Lucas spoke. I just translated. That it's a problem. You are stuck the word. Language are the words. Then are door. Chapter 3. The Experience. Close your eye. Lucas closed his eye. No, listen. Maya started speaking, but it was not English. It was not Portuguese. It was different. Lucas felt something strange, like he was in another place. Like he understood without understanding. He heard it start to beat fast. What is that? You didn't know he was. He felt the language. Chapter 5. The plot wisdom. They passed, and Lucas started to share. He understood sentence without studying. We feed minutes without translator. One day, Maya, where did you learn this? I did learn. Do you how to know? Because I'm not from here, not frozen. What do you mean? It's not other country, it's other place. I place where language do you not sense the when you the feeling. Chapter 5. The truth. Lucas was never the something again. He understood something important. The problem was not the language. It was the way he learned. He stopped translating. He started feeling it. It happened. He spoke English naturally. No form, no pause. It did it. But Maya was not there. Only the book. On the cove inside beyond language.